What's up YouTube, Dwight back again with a quick DIY tutorial for you guys. I have this bucket hat project that I've been meaning to get done for quite some time, so hey, why not do it right now? We're all about creativity on this channel, so all the materials you will be needing is paintbrushes, varnish, and some paint that pretty much matches most of your wardrobe, like so. This next step is solely based on preference. So for this video today, I'm going to put most of my paint and attention towards the middle part of the hat and allow the brim of the hat to be more of a free flow. Part of my intentions for this hat is to be able to style this with most of my wardrobe. I want this hat to be versatile. Now, adding finishing touches to this hat, again, I want more detail to the middle portion of the hat, and I feel like just doing this step right here allows that to happen. So here is the finishing product. Hopefully this has inspired you to create your own DIY project and just get out and have some fun with it. You know, this project didn't take me no more than 10 to 15 minutes, and I am completely satisfied with how it came out. So here is a video of me with it on, and let me know what you guys think.